Let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. Do you wear a watch?
Yes, I usually like to wear a watch because
It gives me.
it gives me a time to be punctual and having to do have to do my work in time.
Alright, so that is why I always wear
Wear
a
a
watch.
watch.
Just try to conclude your answer. Have you ever received a watch as a gift?
Well, a couple of months I received a watch
A couple of months ago.
ago. I received a watch from my brother in a different in a occasion of my party.
On the
On
occasion of
of
my
my
birthday.
birthday party,
Mhm.
it was a very beautiful color. It has a beautiful color and blue. The watch was a sports watch having a different features in it. And to answer your question, yes, I received a watch.
Yeah, I received a
Received a
watch
watch
from my
on my birthday.
brother on my last birthday.
Birthday.
Focus your sentence structure also. Why do some people wear expensive watches?
Well, some people like to wear expensive watches because they want to see them. They are rich enough, rich and having having a
Yeah, you can use the word status symbol. For
static
some
symbol
people, it's a status symbol that they. Yeah.
to see other people that they are rich and having enough of money to wear the expensive things.
Okay, so that is why some people love to wear expensive watches.
Watches.
One sentence conclusion, and try to speak 5 6 sentences and brush up your basic English as well, right? Let's go on. It's your turn. Do you like sports?
Well, I'm liking sports. My favorite sport is cricket. I usually play cricket when at the end of the weekend when I have a pleasure time. So I like to play different sport like crickets and
Okay,
footballs.
that's good. Where did you learn to play cricket?
Mm, Usually, I did not learn.
Would you like to play any game in the future, or would you like to play any new game in the future?
Yes, I like to play
I would
new.
love to play hockey in the future, football in the future. Say something.
I love to play football in future because football is my favorite game. So I try to play football on different grounds. So
All
that's
right.
why
So yeah,
I love to.
football is also my favorite game. So I would
Game.
love to play football, and I think in future I would join any football club, something like that. Okay. So try to speak 5 6 sentences, speak differently, use a variety of words, and then your answers will be fine. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.